The ShopFox W1676 6-inch belt and 10-inch disc combo sander is a professional level sander that bridges the gap between benchtop models and more expensive industrial machines. The 10-inch disc sander has a computer-balanced cast iron disc that gives you incredible stability and precision, whether you're rough sanding or taking the finest passes. The integrated 6x12¼ inch precision ground cast iron work table tilts from 0 to 45 degrees to cover all your bevel or chamfer needs. The work table also supports the included miter gauge that lets you sand at precise angles. The 6-inch by 48-inch sanding belt tilts 90 degrees for horizontal and vertical sanding. The backstop supports workpieces at any angle. And the cast iron work table can easily transfer over to the belt sander for miter sanding in the vertical position. As an added bonus, you can remove the idler guard and use the roller to sand the inside curves of your workpieces. The belt and disc sanders are powered by the 1 horsepower, dual voltage, 110 and 220 volt motor that is pre-wired for 110 volts and puts out a belt speed of 1,900 feet per minute and a disc speed of 2,420 rotations per minute. The cabinet-style stand sports a built-in storage shelf that holds all your replacement belts and discs. And the 2 dust ports ensure your shop stays clean. The ShopFox W1676 6-inch belt and 10-inch disc combo sander is a professional sander for those looking for professional results, all at a price that won't thin your wallet. Visit shopfoxtools.com to learn more and to get yours today.